Hello guys, welcome on Coding for Placement. In this video, you will learn remove character from string. This concept is very important perspective for placement coding. So, in your coding round on this concept, every time some question will coming in your exam. So, now start. Right? Let's assume that you have given one string, right? Something. This is string. Your task is remove G character from this string, right? So how you do that? So let's start. How can you do? So now first thing you need to one variable inside which you store a string, right? I am here take input string inside here I am store a string, right? Like placement. Yeah, here I am taking something. Okay, the my task is remove the G character from this something string. Okay, so here I am use one method replace, which is re replace the G character. So how I am use replace? So you need to one result string variable inside the you store original string. Okay, and this is your now this something is stored inside the input string. So here I am use input string, and now here you see replace, refind, redux. This method are already present in Python. Okay, so here I am perform with replace. This is this all function are play with string. So here I am you can also capitalize case fold center encode find. So I am use replace. So now and in this here I am already write what the replace function take old value and new value and this count. If the g is in this something string is multiple time, so on this how many g you want to replace, like so in the by default count is mention, and this is optional, you can also pass or not, so as you prefer, but here I am not passing the count. Okay, so because I want to remove all the g inside the something, so here only one g, but I am also see with some other example in which some word is multiple time in the string. So let's start the old value I want to replace g. Okay, and old value I'm taking inside a g. Okay, I'm replace g with x, so here I'm write x. Now print result string. So your sorry, your original string, right? And give some space. Now plus result string. So now save and run it. Now here see the output. G is replaced with X. Okay. So now program is done, completed, but with some another example you can see here, right? placement. Placement, right? Here I want to replace E with X. Let's see what happens. Here see, from E is replaced with X. Here and here. Output is given, right? So now, but I want to only one word replace from this in this string. So I am use only one this number. Okay. So only one is replaced in this string, right? Let's see placement. Only one here is replaced with X. So now I think replace concept is clear. If you have any doubt, then comment below. I will reply on your comment. If this video is helpful for you, then subscribe, like and comment and share with some friend. And after subscribe, you hit the bell icon button for you get in more video notification. So now final and next video will talk about some replace function in advance. So now ready and here I'm only cover the basic. So now thank you. If you have any doubt then comment below. I will reply on your comment. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Coding for Placement and press bell icon so you get more video of my. So thank you for watching and welcome back. Now thanks.